Did I ever tell you the definition of insanity?
It's a big risk.
$30. Douse that. Pepper. Kozak.
So they actually got those working. Not bad.
Hey, well, the tech works great till you try to move too fast in it. What's he up?
Warlord. Hiding in a refugee camp. Sounds like he's got the same supply as our friends in South America. Intel's on the MRT.
The man you brought in, Paez, coughed up about 100 names. Most of them are small to mid-time players in South America. But we did dig out one unusual connection. Gentlemen, we're heading to Africa. Paez's gear was only part of a larger shipment. Another part went into Zambia, to a man named Dede Macaba. Macaba's an Angolan warlord and war criminal. He fled Angola and crossed the border into Zambia, where he set up shop right in the middle of a refugee camp. He's got a fresh shipment en route. Macaba's just a means to an end. Your priority is intel on the source of that shipment. Our window's tight on this, so it's gonna have to be a daylight raid. A local contact will get you into the camp. Find Macaba, find his shipment, and find his source.
Não te preocupa, irmãzinha. Eu vou te cuidar de você. Vem aqui, para de chorar. Não chores. Ei, tenha calma. Tenha calma. Malandra!
Say the word, Captain. Quietly. son of a bitch. Hunter, this is Overlord. What's your status?
Overlord, Hunter's in position. Ready to move on your go.
Copy that. Primary objective is to locate and secure Macaba's latest weapon shipment.
And Macaba?
Secondary, his suppliers are our main interest.
Copy. Hunter out. Hostile, armed with an assault rifle. Look, there by the well.
I spotted 2 more. Right in front of us. 2 marked. Marking the 3rd.
Add 1 hostile. 12 o'clock. Set to fire.
There's another one. On your shot. On your word.
On you.
Ready. On your word. Standing by. Fire, fire.
We need to get eyes on that camp. See what we're dealing with. On me. Camo activated. Down, down. Do not engage. They tear us up out here.
Dead ahead. Hostile symbol.
Keep your heads down. Prone and crawl.
Eyes on 2 more.
All right. We should be good.
One hostile rifleman. Up ahead of us.
There's another one. About over there near the car. What do you think he's doing?
Just standing guard. There's another hostile.
Where do you see him?
To the right.
I got 2 more here.
Right. I've got eyes on 2 more. Dead ahead. Sensor deployed.
Got eyes on another one. 12 o'clock.
On you. That's 2 targets. Marking target 3.
Holding for your shot.
4th target. Ready to fire. On your shot. Ready to fire.
That's a kill.
Reloading. On the move.
That's one big camp.
No way we find Macaba and all that without help.
We wait for a view from upstairs, we might lose him.
30. We go into that mess blind, we lose him for sure. Overlord Hunter, we need a SAT scan of that refugee camp.
Overlord copies. Stand by, we'll push it to you.
It's a powder keg down there, gentlemen. Humanitarian crisis doesn't even begin to cover it. Macaba's thugs control everything. Food, water, medical supplies. And what they can't control through possession, they control by fear. There we go, that's our man. Once you're inside, track him down, and he should lead you to the shipment. Macaba controls everything, one way or another. Everything begins and ends with Macaba. He's your top priority in there.
Roger, Overlord. What's the ETA on our ride?
Your contact's already on site. He'll have to keep a low profile. Just try not to draw any attention to him. He's putting a lot on the line to get us in.
Copy that. Hunter's moving to rally. Sir? Yeah, I see him.
We're gonna have to take him out.
Yeah, we'll have to do it clean. Line him up, hold fire until we're all on target.
And he's number 3. Say when. On your shot. Ready to fire. On your word.
Target down.
That's it. He's clear.
Load it up. Let's go.
Come on! We must go! Quickly! Stay low. Keep quiet. Do not attract any attention.
Listen up, Ghost. I want to make sure we're clear on rules of engagement in here. Once we hit the camp, we're clear to engage hostiles as long as we don't raise any alarms. Get in close, make your first shot count. If you've got multiple targets, mark them and drop them at the same time. Camo should be enough to let us slip in unnoticed. We need to keep it that way. If Macaba spooks, we're gonna lose our chance. We all need to be on point, understood?
Got it. No sweat, Cap. Roger that. Hunter, just a heads up. Looks like you've got a storm blowing your way. Don't dawdle.
Copy that. We never do. Remember, if you got a kill, do it quiet. If they sound the alarm, mission's over. Understood?
Camo's up.
Hostile rifleman. Up there, on the roof.
Any guesses on what they're doing?
Patrolling, I'd guess.
Holding for your shot. On you. Ready. On your shot.
Visual on 2 more. In the building. On your shot.
Ready to fire.
Go! Target down.
I'm reloading.
I spotted 2 more.
2R12. Kill confirmed.
I'm moving.
His history.
Got another one here. Right there by the well. Hold fire.
Second.
Pepper, 30. Line up on the marked targets. Here, what's that? Go, Zach. On your go.
Reloading.
Você, que está olhando? Levanta isso aí, no caminho, anda. Che, levanta, você vai morrer o quê? Então vamos
I got eyes on Macaba.
Overlord, Hunter. We have contact on Macaba.
Copy that, Hunter. Follow him to his HQ and keep it low profile. We don't want to scare him off. If Macaba doesn't lead you straight to those weapons, you might have to ask him some questions.
Roger that.
Dropped him. There's one more. Up there on the roof. On your shot. Deploying sensor. 2 targets marked. That's 3. Marking number 4.
Ready to fire.
On your shot. Holding for your shot. Do it! That one's down. On your shot. Go! Eyes on 2 more. Near the command post.
Any idea what they're doing?
Sentry duty.
No, sir. Set to fire. On your go.
Fire, fire.
Lead repositioning.
I'm reloading.
On you.
I can't see him. Magnetics might help. Do it. Company's coming this way.
Everyone off the road, get to cover.
Second target.
Ready.
Ready to fire. On your shot. Fire.
Lead moving.
Ei, vem aqui! Quem é a segurança da pista de aterragem?
Dede, não sei. Não tratamos disso.
Não tem desculpas. Não confio nesses sul-africanos. Arranja alguém que os mantenha debaixo do controle. Manda uma minha guarda para sua nos acompanhar. Trata tudo disso! Anda!
All clear.
How
Let's
much
go.
longer? No, it doesn't matter. The money has been transferred. I can untransfer it if I don't get what I want. Yes, of course. I already told you that. Don't be stupid. My men are already waiting to unload the shipment. Just land the plane and we'll take care of the rest.
Overlord, sounds like the weapons are still inbound.
Why do you want to know so much about my
Understood,
business,
Hunter.
huh?
There's an airstrip nearby. We'll see if we can get some coverage.
What's the call on Macaba?
And maybe I should find another
Take care of
pilot.
them now so we don't have to come back later.
And don't
Roger
try
that,
my
Overlord.
faces, my love.
Mark target 3. On your goal. Ready to fire. Target down. Gotta reload. I've got eyes on 2 more. Ahead of us.
Add 1 hostile, light machine gunner. Up, set to fire.
Target 3. Ready. On your shot.
Say when.
There's another one. Ready. Ready to fire. Hold fire.
Add one hostile. Up ahead.
Holding for your shot. Standing by.
Got eyes on another one.
That's the last of them. Take a knee, gentlemen. Check your gear.
I'm looking at satellite coverage of the airstrip. It looks like Macaba's shipments arrived and they're already offloading supplies.
Sir, if we can get to the plane, we can pull its flight plan. See where it's been, and maybe where it's headed.
Good call, Kozak. Overlord Hunter's changing targets. We're gonna try to recover the data recorder off the plane itself.
Understood, Hunter. I copy. You'll have to get moving. That storm's closing in. My bet is the crew's gonna try to get airborne before it hits.
Copy that.
And no disrespect, Captain, but this doesn't seem like the kind of thing we want to hurry. Come on, Pep, live a little. I'd like to live a lot, Dirty. That's why I don't want to rush it.
I don't like it any more than you do, Pepper. But we're not setting our own timetable. Understood. Here we go. Aggressive, gentlemen. Not reckless. Let's go, Ghost.
Got visual on the airstrip. Looks like the plane's prepping for takeoff.
Well, let's go make sure she doesn't. Secure the airfield.
Reloading.
Shifting. Straight ahead.
How many? And he's number 3. 4th target.
On your shot. On your call.
Ready to fire.
Got him.
Two targets marked.
Ready.
I spotted 2 more. Ready. Target 3.
There's another one. Straight ahead of us.
On your shot. Fire.
There's another one.
Straight ahead.
Keep pushing. That plane's not gonna wait around for long.
That's 2 targets.
Plane's starting to roll!
I spotted 2 more.
Cab wants to go! Bring it down! Focus fire on the engine!
On your shot. For your shot.
Moving position! 3 o'clock! In the tower! Damn it, lost it. Oh no, she's got trouble. She's going down! Ah! Give us blast behind the camp.
Then we better get there first. Target eliminated.
Camel's up.
How much time we got before that storm hits?
Not enough. Heads up, here we go. Get ahead! Hostile within the southwest!
Hostile down!
Stay tight. We don't want to get separated out here. Here it comes. Get ready.
This is gonna suck.
nice and friendly for a change. Maybe next time.
That'll be it next time.
Hunter, be advised. Hostiles have moved in on the crash site. Watch your step.
Copy. We'll take care of it.
Enemy isn't here in force yet.
It's gonna be a lot harder to secure the site once they are.
Take them! Straight ahead. Forward with assault weapons.
Sensor deployed.
There's one more.
12 o'clock. That's 2 targets.
On you. Got another one here. Up ahead.
On your shot. Fire! Gonna get some. We're good. Area's clear.
Overlord Hunter, we've reached the crash site.
Overlord copies. QRF is inbound to set up a perimeter, but you've got hostiles closing fast. You'll have to hold a position.
Understood.
Too bad we didn't order the immediate reaction force.
They come. They know and watch each other.
Sit down!
I'll get you clear.
Bring out!
Right, copy.
Hostile down! Left front!
They're moving!
MG, watch the MG! Gotta reload! Suppressing! Go! Get! Watch out! Run!
Moving, cover!
Forward inbound!
Focus on the gunner!
Daylight raid! Great idea!
Keep it together, go. QRF will be here any second.
Hold up! He's got a leg stuck!
Let us do it behind here. They're circling left.
Got one!
Right
Watch your blanket! Hostile reinforcements! Inbound! Back out! Moving, coming in! Hostile down!
Get ahead! A rifleman!
He's out! We got him right now! Contact left!
Target down!
Where the hell are they all coming from?
Overlord, where's our backup?
Getting serious, Cap!
They're on site, Hunter.
No damn time! Let's go inbound! They're reeling! Let's finish it! Moving! Under enemy fire!
Please, open the clear!
I gotta reload!
That's the front!
That's it! We're clear!
Overlord, site secure.
Well done, team. QRF will take over and secure the aircraft's black box. Let's get you back out of there.
Yeah, roger that.